Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, we've been working on different things on the layout, so I thought I'd give you an update where we are with them. First one we started is the old Canal Boat. This is the 3D Canal Boat that we bought and got the right size now, and we just started painting this up. But once this was all painted up and put the details on, that's going to look quite impressive in my canal. So something to look forward to in future videos. As we come along here now, we've got the Class 24 sitting on top of the hill. It's come up quite a treat, especially when I painted underneath the track now and started putting a bit of static grass and more green foliage on the hills, and it has started to come alive. We've still got a long way to go now, still starting to work on there, and plus we can have a little stream on the right hand side. But the good thing about it is when you look at the train sitting on top of the hill now, you can see the yard in the area of the back now, and looks quite nice, especially when this is a shelf layout and we've gone up three levels, and it does look quite impressive. So once it's all done, it's going to look quite nice, especially when I tour the whole layout. But that's in future videos, so something to look out for. As we come along here now, we've got a few trees that we made when we walked the dogs, and we've made them up ourselves and put bushes over the back, and this area has come up quite a treat, and there's a few deers in there on the grazing on the grass. This area on the front here looks quite nice. Loads more work to be worked on here, and I'm not too sure what we're going to do here. On the left hand side here, you've got a mini broken down with a few people, plus you've got the AA van. You see that quite a lot in the summer, or especially with the old cars. So this is, and as you come along here now, we've got the canal. Now I've started putting my first Aqua Magic water in there now, waiting for that to go off for a couple of days, and I start doing the rest. And as you see on here, we've got a few shopping trolley, cones and some tyres and pallets get chucked in the old canal. So once that goes on and fill that up, that's going to come up quite a treat. As you see underneath the arch now, I've got a pathway on the left and started putting a few bushes. Very pleased with that area, that's going to come up a treat. And on the right hand side here, we've got the old scrap yard. Still working on this. Give you some idea, we're going to have a fence along the front now and start working in this area. Lots more to do in this area at the moment, but they give you some idea. We've got a fire pit in the front here and a pallet, and on the back here we've got the old hill here, put a bit of static grass. Still got to finish this off with a few things. And over the back here's a few items that we actually bought for the layout. These are the products that you can buy in the shops, so this gives you some idea what I'm actually using in my layout. So like I say, lots going on. This is such a great journey we're on. Loads of changes all the time. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe.